is my buddy the squirrel. He's there eating a french fry. And he is hoeing into it. Long tail on him. Actually could be a world record as far as the amount of time that he ate it. He's looking for another piece. Absolutely loves them. Holy cow. I don't know where he's putting them at. That must be about his second full fry. Yeah, he should weigh in a few extra pounds after he's through here. I think that's his last piece muss. Anyway, I think he enjoys the fries for sure, and so do we. Catch you later, pal.